Maroon Bridge here in Dir. It is built over the river, the Timergara River, I guess. And Panchkola River. Actually, vehicle or car etc. can also pass through this bridge. So, walking through this as well, showing you it is a very beautiful afternoon. Is the restaurant?
Shangri-La.
Shangri-La parze ki da style wala. It is Shangri-La restaurant, 8 kilometers away from Timergara city in Lower Dir, and it is a family restaurant. And all the local foods and all the cuisine are available here. And the main thing is the atmosphere. The weather is just very nice, and the atmosphere is so good. Like you can see, there is water and there are small booths and small huts like style. So just going to have lunch here and show you what we are having today in Dir. So guys, we are having lunch here at Shangri-La restaurant in Dir district. Very beautiful place. Very, I must say. The weather is just awesome, and the food you can see. Our friend Mr. Zaib Khan is just looking forward to give us this special treatment here. And this is the food that we are going to have, and see the Badshah there. Karachi ice cream, Timergara. Will you see? It is a great evening here at Dir, Timergara Balambhat with Hijabul Ghapoor, and it's lunchtime. Local salad, yogurt, bindi, the vegetable, the very famous vegetable in Pakistan,
meat
and chicken and soft drink and everything, and all the buddies here. So that's it. We are having dinner here and really happy and enjoying our stay in Dir, Timergara. So guys, we are on the top at Timergara, which is also called Timergara in local language, but it is a mountain from where you can see all the city here in Lower Dir, the Timergara city. So we are on the top here, my friends, in the background, and this is all a green area once again. So I will show you the view from here, the city view, Timergara city view.